Okay, you guys, so this is my first time ever recording this way. Just bear with me. I'm doing this because y'all told me that it was really hard for me, or really hard to hear me. Okay, so let's go ahead and start working on order of operation. So remember, order of operation, we have G for grouping, E for exponents, MD for multiplication division, AS for add and subtract. Parentheses and brackets, that's where we start. Exponents are next. Repeating is not hard. Multiply, divide from left to right. Add and subtract from left to right. Okay, so let's go ahead and it says Miss Brandt works with a small group of students. Mr. Brandt works with a small group of students. He gives each student a different expression to evaluate. So we have Tabitha, Martin, Lucy, Everly. They want to know which students have equal expressions. So we want to have same answers. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with Tabitha. So Tabitha was 17 plus 4 times 5 squared minus 10. Okay. So remember, parentheses and brackets, that's where we start. So we're going to start with our grouping. But inside my grouping, I have an exponent, so I'm going to do that first. Remember, that's saying 5 times 5. So we have 17 plus 4 is 25 minus 10. Again, we're still got those parentheses. So 25 minus 10 gets us 15. So we have 17 plus 4 times 15. Yes, we still have grouping, but this is meaning to multiply. There's no operation inside. So grouping is done. We do not have any exponents. So next is multiplication. So 15 times 4. 15 times 4 is 60. So we have 17 plus 60. We finish that up, we get 77. So Tabitha has 77. Okay. We have Martin. I'm going to write my GEMDAS to the side. Remember, parentheses and brackets, that's where we start. Exponents are next. Repeating is not hard. Multiply, divide from left to right. Add and subtract from left to right. So Martin's was 7 plus 2 squared divided by 3 times 3. Okay, so we're going to start with those parentheses first. So we have 7 plus 2, that's 9. So 9 squared divided by 3 times 3. So my grouping is done. Next is going to be my exponent. So that is saying 9 squared. That's 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So we have 81 over 3 times 3. Exponents are done. Remember, we work multiplication division left to right. So we have 81 divided by 3 first. 3 goes in at 8 twice. Bring down my 1. 3 goes in 21 7 times. So we have 27 times 3. 27 times 3 gets me 81. So far, nobody is equal because Tabitha was 77 and Martin was 81. Okay, now we're going to be working on Lucy. So we have 56 plus 34 plus 4 squared divided by 2. Parentheses and brackets, that's where we start. But we're going to work on that exponent first. So 4 times 4 is 16. Still going to get those parentheses out the way. So 34 plus 16 is 50. So we have 56 plus 50 divided by 2. Okay, so now my grouping is done. I have no exponents. Looks like I have multiplication and division, so I'm going to have to do 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 gets me 25. So now I'm going to do 56 plus 25. That's 81. Oh, looks like Lucy and Martin so far are the same. Okay, let's look at Everly. So Everly has 18 over 3 plus 5 times 2 to the 4th power. Okay, I'm going to write my GEMDAS. I have no grouping, so I'm not going to do that. Next is exponents. So that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So that's going to get me 16. So we have 18 over 3 plus 5 times 16. Alright, now multiplication and division. Remember, we go from left to right. So I'm going to do 18 divided by 3 first.
Please take your attendance.
So 6 plus 5 times 16. 5 times 16 is 80. So we have 6 plus 80. That gets me 86. So my two people who have the same answers is going to be Martin and Lucy. I hope this was easier to understand, and I hope it was a little bit louder for y'all. Remember, room A216. Come see Miss Harkins. Have a wonderful day. Bye.